Welcome. Now we are at Noble Transformation Hub YouTube channel, world's number one artificial intelligence future skills channel, where we are learning no artificial intelligence series, motion and manipulation. So we will go deep into it, and kindly subscribe the YouTube channel if you have not, and also write in the comment section what have you learned in the previous and what you want to learn more about this. And if you have any questions, you can write in the comment section. So AI is heavily used in robotics, advanced robotics, arms, industrial robotics, widely used in modern factories, and can learn from experience how to move efficiently despite of presence of frictions and gear slippage. Okay, it is like in motion and manipulation it is used. A modern mobile robot, when given a small static visible environment, can easily determine its location, map its environment. However, dynamic environments such as in endoscopy, the interior of patients' breathing body pose just as challenge. So there are challenges also, but it is also useful in a lot of heavy duty job, like at ports and other industrial heavy job and cleaning and other things. So there we are using these robots and all, so it is being used. Okay, and this is how there are benefits of it. And motion planning, how motion planning is done is the process of breaking down the movement tasks into primitives such as individual joint movements. Okay, so you break down the tasks into individual joint movements. Such movements often involve complicated motion as process where movement require maintaining physical contact with an object. Okay, Marwick paradox generalized that low level of sensorometer skills and human take it for granted, contra naturally difficult to program into robot. There are very minute skills like we have when we move fingers on all these things. Evolutionary, we have learned this through biological evolution. So all these things which we do, creativity and all the stuff, it is very difficult to program for robot. That's a challenge, but there the AI scientists are moving towards it, and we are doing research on it. The paradox is named after Hans Marweg, on who started 1988, that it is comparatively easy to make computer exhibit adult level performance on intelligent tests and flying checkers, and difficult for imposing to give them a skill or a year old when it comes to perception and mobility. Okay, there are challenges in perception and mobility. It is attributed the fact that unlike checkers, physical dexterity has been a direct target of natural selection for millions of years. So it's like the skills humans have learned, it has taken millions of years to biologically inherited hereditary, that it is in our DNA. So it is very difficult. Obviously, it is difficult that AI or robots are going to learn that through programming. We have to go deep into understanding all the evolutionary, that how it evolved, so that we can go and implement that. So it is very deep stuff we have to learn if you want to be ahead and serve humanity globally. So thank you so much. So kindly subscribe the YouTube channel if you have not. You are at Noble Transformation Hub YouTube channel, world's number one artificial intelligence future skills channel. So write in the comment section what have you learned, what you're going to learn, and what else you want to know. You can write the comments and the questions in the comment section. So we'll go to the next video, which is social intelligence, AI social intelligence, where we'll learn in this series no artificial intelligence series. So thank you so much. Thanks.